Okay, right, my new glow plug with the diode fitted in is installed in this heater. Let me show you. So here's my little battery pack I made. There's my amp meter. Okay, let's not start it up today. What are we? 16 out here. Okay, let's get it through the right way. Okay, there we are. So we're pulling 8 amps. Oh, I didn't. Let me start this up. Right. Now I reckon about 2 minutes, and in that 2 minutes it will clean this little mesh. I'm not using my microphones so you can actually hear the heater, because these are noise cancelling and you can't even hear it go off, and they're so good. But obviously if you're using like the iPhone I'm on now, you need to get one of these. Yeah, it just converts it from that stupid design back to USB-C, which is that design. Okay, why would I bother doing that? It's because I know I've got an afterburner in there, plus I've got a big bore exhaust, and this is all really big. It's got no ripples in it, so it comes clean out of there before it goes to the silencer. So I'm convinced that is not blocked up, plus the fact I've got an afterburner in it. So the only reason why it's smoking is because of the mesh. Okay, what are we on? 125, and we're still pulling good amps. Okay, let's stop that. Unplug that. Hold on guys, I need 2 hands for this. Oh, there we go. Right, let's see if she starts up. Okay, glow plug on as usual. But now it's had 2 minutes, or 1 minute 36 seconds actually, of cooking the mesh. Now hopefully you'll hear it start, because I haven't got them, like I said, I haven't got the microphones on it. And I haven't even got my little tripod stabiliser either. Okay, let's see what happens. I'll tell you what I did notice. You know when your cool down cycle, your glow plug comes on? Yeah, your glow plug comes on and the fan drops to around about 2.5 volts. And that at 2.5 volts is hardly turning at all. And 2.5 volts. Oh. Are we doing something? There we go. Fired up straight away. Absolutely straight away. Now that was taking 4 or 5 attempts to do that. It's so simple, and it works. Yeah, that's what I was saying. When you shut it down, the glow plug comes on, then it does a cool down cycle, yeah, because it's getting the temperature reading from the temperature sensor on the top. Then eventually the fan goes into nutty mode and goes flat out. Now, if the glow plug was on during that time, it would help clean the gauze out, but it doesn't. The glow plug goes out, then it decides to blow itself. So what I did last night was, on the cool down cycle, I put the glow plug on after it turned itself off, and as you can see today, started up straight away. Okay guys, I hope that helped someone.